Hi everyone. So today we are going to see how we can send email using PHP mailer from our Gmail account or Office 365 or Active Directory, which we can call, which we are calling AD or LDAP. So first we needed to download PHP mailer library in our project file. Okay. So we will go to Composer. We will browse the package. Here we will type PHP mailer. This command we will copy composer required PHP mailer. So currently it is updated version is 6.9.1. So we will go to our project file HR dashboard. Here we will create new folder for our library mailer. Okay, and then cmd yes, paste it our command. So it will start downloading our library files to our project. Yes. So download is done. So what is the next step we are going to do? We will download our file which we already created from our Google Drive. We will provide this link in below description. Yeah. Download this one. Fine. Well, second is for Office 365 and third is for if you are having your own Active Directory or LDAP directory for that. Basically code is the same, just you need to change host name. So these three files we will copy to our project. Okay. So now first we will see how we can send email through our Gmail account. So for this, what we need to do some configuration in our Gmail account. So we will go to our Gmail account. We have created one demo Gmail account. So we will go to manage. Then we will go to security. First, we need to check is this two-step verification is done or not. If it is not done, then it will not allow us to create app password for our project. So first we will do two-step verification. It will ask password. Then it will ask mobile number. So we will enter our mobile number. Then we need to enter the text as OTP which we are receiving. Now click on next. Turn on. So now our two-step verification is active. Now what we need to search over here in search bar, type app password. Okay. Select this one. Then give our project name or our app name. Then it will give us password. Just copy this password and you can hold it temporarily. We will directly configure in our project. So I opened my Sublime editor. Then go to our mailer Gmail account. Okay. Here enter password. Copy paste it and then our email account. So our email account is gmail.com. What we have done here, so we imported some script from the mailer. Then we required one autoload file, which is in our this library. Then here we will call SMTP function. Then we will give host name. Host name we will give SMTP Gmail. You can check if you go to Google and just type SMTP host for Gmail. It will give you SMTP gmail.com. So same host we have given over here. Then the SMTP authentication we have enabled it. For Google it will always enable, so true. Then our email address from which we are going to send email. Then password, how just we saw how we generated password. Then port number, it will be 587. Then to which email ID we need to send email. No, sorry. In this, we need to give the email ID from which email is going to be sent, and also the name which need to be displayed. So here we will give this email. Okay, this name, when user is receiving the email, that time this name will display in the email list box. Okay, then here we will give this Gmail account. It should receive mail. This address, it is two persons. So whichever person you want to add in it into, so just give that person email address over here. If you want to add any person in CC or BCC, then you can add CC or add BCC. Then this SMTP secure TLS is for security. Then if you have any attachment, you can do attachment. For our project, we will give one attachment file for the demo. We will save this image only. Save as to our download. Okay. So we will go to our download folder. You copy this image. It is, and we give it name as a NN. So in our project, we will import this image as a test.png. Now, if you want to rename this file name, you can rename it, or if you don't want, then just don't add this code. Now, in our case, for demo, we will just rename this file. Okay, it is optional. It is not mandatory. So this is also optional. This name which you can give, or you can you can avoid this. This is also this is also optional, and this name is also optional. Okay, so if you want, you can provide it. If you don't want, then leave it blank. Okay, not leave it blank. Just cancel this one. This is done. Now we will test that email is going or not. Over here, yes, when message has been sent successfully. Yeah, so you can see over here the mail from Gmail account. As you can see, the attachment which we have attached, it got successfully attached it. So this way you can send email from your Gmail account. So if you go to Office 365, it is nothing changed. Just here, if your Office 365 you are using, then this SMTP option you need to add it. Then you need to give SMTP for Office 365 host. This is Office 365 SMTP host name. Okay. Then port number which you are using or which your network team, it will be basically 587 only, or 485. These two ports are available from Gmail and SMTP Office 365. You can use any one of it, and rest of the things are same. So same things you will do in your Active Directory, just instead of this. Now here, see here host name what we have given, Here it is given gmail.com, smtp gmail.com. In Office 365, what we have given? smtp office 365 .com. Now, in your Active Directory thing, you need to pass your Active Directory AD or your LDAP IP address, or you can pass the DNS name. So, by which it can be go and it can be ping over there. Now, here we didn't show you. We will just show you the procedure. If you debug this thing, in case of you are getting any error, you can debug, or general also. If you enable this one, it will show you the debug mode. So if you debug this one, yeah, so here you can see all the requests, what it is doing. It will go to Gmail SMTP hostname, it will pass the user ID and password, and if it is connected successfully, then all encoding things it will do, and then it will send SMS. So here you can see down this SMS successfully, message successfully sent. We have written done here echo. That's why it is displaying. So it will send SMS and it will close the connection. So this way you can send your secure email to any user. Now also parallelly we will show you, in case you want to send email from your database and then you want to update it, that is the email is sent to user or not. So we will go here in our database and we will try to create one table. Okay. We will go to user. Okay. So we have one ID. We will replace this blank and we will add this email ID should receive email. Now we will go to our function model. Here we have already shown you in our other videos that how you can connect to database. So already we have connected to our database. Now we will write one function for fetching this email address and sending it. So, and where? Okay. And that we need to write one more condition, that if is null. And we need to mark over here, we will update it as a null. Okay. So it will fetch only that record which status is null, and it will try to send email to that person. Yeah, shared record. Now we will include our file. Make .php. Here we will take one variable where we are seeing the success message. We will update this variable to 1. If pass here success, if our success equal to 1, then update our user set status field text ID. Okay, so here from our database we will add one more field. This is the person name, and we will add one more field as a subject. Varchar and save, and we will enter some data. Subject, I am from database. Okay, now we are receiving value. We're fetching into this variable, so we will go here, and to whom we want to send. So user will send that user email, and then the name of the user. Also we will open CC, and here we will pass just email, and demo attachment no needed. We have just saw this thing, and then subject we will pass here as a subject. Now we will try to run this one. Wait, and we will rerun. Okay, so what is the error? 31 line number. Okay, so we are running this file directly. Now we want to run this file from our function model. So we will copy this file. Instead of running this file, run this one first. Yes, so message sent successfully. Now we will see message we receive. Yes, I am from, I think this it didn't pass. Yeah, I am from database. Here something we have done mistake. We'll share some. Yes, here only I am from. So it came from the subject name which we have passed. I am from, and if we refresh this one, yeah, so we can see it is marked as status as a X. Okay, friends. So this is it. This way you can send email from your Gmail account or Office 365 or AD LDAP using PHP method. Thanks, guys. Please, if you do like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.